Alexa just came on and ruined the video. This is Lucy and Ethel. They have been with us for 48 hours. 24 of those hours were in the ground. We planted them yesterday. And we've got the team with them, the gnome and windmill. So hopefully they'll be okay. I did get these from the 99-cent store. And I did go ahead and dress them with some worm castings, and I threw some fish emulsion in there. And this bed is good. Last season I grew a squash here. I like to move things around. I grew a really good lemon squash. Oh my gosh, look at this snail, this slug. Look at it. Mr. Slug. Alright, we'll leave him alone. We don't have beef. But now that he has identified himself, you should know how to protect your plants from slugs. And how to protect your plants from slugs is eggshells. Yay! So I do keep eggshells just for this occasion. I forget to do things when I plant, and I have to come back and then think about it because I'm a stoner and that's what happens. You forget, but I remember eventually the next day. No biggie. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some eggshells around these tomatoes so Mr. Slug doesn't have a meal, because I think that's where he's going. He's gonna go eat my tomatoes, and I'm not gonna let that happen. Not on my watch, son.